Chevrolet's best-selling workhorse is about to step off the assembly line into a new era. Patent drawings and company commentary paint a picture of an evolutionary, not revolutionary, redesign for the Silverado, one that keeps the truck's rugged identity intact while borrowing styling DNA from Chevrolet's crossover family. Expect cleaner, more modern facework, split lighting elements, a mesh grille bisected by a bold horizontal bar, and a rugged-looking lower bumper that suggests both on-road dignity and off-road intent. The silhouette reads familiar, but the details, a cab-mounted spoiler, a slimmer sliding rear window, and a tailgate that swaps out bold Chevrolet lettering for the automaker's bowtie badge, signal a fresh attitude without alienating the current owner base. Under the hood, this refresh isn't merely cosmetic. GM's roadmap includes a next-generation family of V8s designed to squeeze more power and efficiency out of combustion tech with new thermal management tricks. Rumors mention displacements around 5.7 and 6.6 liters, likely slotting in above an updated lineup of smaller displacement turbocharged and diesel options, a strategy that gives buyers everything from frugal daily drivers to big towing workhorses. The multi-flex tailgate is expected to see updates too, offering the same sort of clever utility the Silverado currently touts but with even more versatility. What's probably most interesting is how Chevrolet is balancing continuity with subtle modernity. Designers appear to have leaned into a more aerodynamic lower fascia and an air dam, signaling that fuel economy was part of the brief while maintaining muscular fender treatment and practical touches such as wider bumper steps. The patent renderings and the company confirmations together suggest a carefully managed shift. The Silverado will feel new inside and out, but not so unfamiliar that current owners feel left behind. From a market perspective, this is a logical, low-risk move. The Silverado remains one of America's most popular trucks, and GM seems keen to refresh the product family just enough to keep sales momentum without cannibalizing its existing, loyal customer base. If the company hits the sweet spot, a modern interior, refined powertrain options, and the practical touches pickup buyers expect, the new Silverado could raise the bar for mainstream full-size pickups in both comfort and capability.